I am going to make the arroz con gandules today. I've got my pot and about 5 cups of water, 3 cups of rice, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of sofrito, homemade, green olives, a little bit of pork that's been cut down, 1 small can of tomato sauce, 2 cans of the green pigeon peas, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and salt, and of course the sazon. In the pot, we will go ahead and add the oil. And to that, we are going to add the sofrito. I like a lot. And we're also going to add that sazon. And I have this over medium heat, and I'm just going to stir this around a little and let it get fragrant. And while this is simmering, I've got the water in the back getting hot, and we'll bring that to a boil. At this point, you can go ahead and add your olives, if you're putting those in, and your meat. And now we're just going to let this cook up a little bit. Alright, this has been cooking for a few minutes, and now I'm going to go ahead and add some of this tomato sauce. Probably about a half a can. Stir it up. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some salt. Give it a quick stir. And now the rice. Now I don't wash my rice, so it is not wet. Mix this up real good. And then I'm just going to smooth this rice out and add the beans over top. I'm adding both cans beans with their liquid, and I'm just going to spread the beans out over top of the rice because you don't want to disturb it just yet. And now I'm going to take this hot water and pour it in until it's about 1 inch over the top of the rice. Alright, so I've added about 4 cups of water to this rice. And I'm going to let it come to a boil and give it one good stir when the rice has absorbed most of that water, and I've also turned the heat up to a medium-high heat. Okay, the water's about evaporated. If you look down there, there's not much there, so I'm going to go ahead and give this a nice stir to release everything from the bottom. You don't want to stir it too much. And now I'm going to go ahead and reduce the heat all the way to low. And I got my aluminum foil hat just Smash it down there on the rice. And then put your lid on and check it in about 20 minutes and see if it's done.